Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to achieve the look that I'm wearing. This is a gold and plum look. It's very wearable for the day and it's very versatile because it can also be worn at night or evening. So I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. This is going to be done with the Rainforest After Dark palette. If you would like more in-depth information about this palette, I have a full review. I'll leave the information in the box and on the description down below for you to review if you're interested. And if you would like to learn how I did this look, please keep on watching. Alright, so for this look I'm going to be using my Tarte. This is the Rainforest After Dark palette. And I heard how so many of you said that the 24-hour color tattoo was great base, that maybe mine was, you know, past due and dry. So I'm going to try another shade. This is the color Tattoo 24-hour metal, and this is in color Gold Rush, and this is how it looks like. It's very golden. I'm going to try to apply this with my finger. I'm applying this to all of my lower lid. Next I'm going to go with the gold color in the palette, and I'm going to apply it all over my lower lid. So that's exactly why I wanted that base. Alright, next I'm going to come with a fluffy blending brush. This is my E38 from Sigma, and I'm going to use the matte medium brown that we have next to the gold. And I'm going to go into my crease, and I'm going to go with windshield wiping motions. This is just going to help me to define my crease. So just go in there, don't go way too up into your crease, leave some space for your brow bone. Now next, with a small angle brush, I'm going to grab the burgundy color. I'm going to top off the excess, and I'm going to apply that to the outer side of my eye. And right now I'm just applying the color. I'm packing the color, and I'm not going further into the crease. I'm just stopping where my eye naturally folds. So I'm just packing in the color here. Right, now with my fluffy blending brush, I'm going to come back and I'm going to start blending in that color into my crease and into my lid. Right, now I'm going to do the same thing in my other eye. Now for my brow bone, I didn't really have any color that will work on my brow area. So I'm going to use the highlight that they have. It's a little bit shimmery, but there's nothing really there in the palette that could really work as a brow highlighter. So you can use any other color if you have anything else. I am trying to stick to the palette and come up with a look. Right, now I'm going to go for my lower lash line. And for my lower lash line, I'm going to grab a pencil brush. And I'm going to use the darker color here in the palette, which is the dark brown. It's a matte brown and it's very, very pretty. I'm going to come all along my lower lash line. Alright, so I'm not done because I still feel that this look lacks a little bit of intensity and definition. So I'm going to be using, again, the darker brown color, and I'm going to use a pencil brush. And I'm going to come right to the outer side of my lash line. I'm going to try to build in there a little bit of color. So all I'm really doing is coming into my lower lash line, coming to the other side, and coming up about half of an inch, or exactly where your eye closes, which is right here, and then trying to blend it out. So I'm elongating my lower lash line basically and recreating that effect. Going to do the same thing here, so I'm just going elongating my lower lash line there. Then coming into my lash line a little bit and drag that color inwards. And this will definitely help you a little bit to have a little bit more dimension. Now I don't want to really erase all of what I did, and for that matter I'm going to just blend out a little bit, and you guys know that these eyeshadows blend really into a fade color, so don't be afraid to play with the color there, because they will fade just like it did. Alright, now I do have a little bit of fallout on my cheeks, so I'm going to clean that out with a clean cotton wool. And I'm going to use a little bit of foundation to go over what I might have erased. So I'm just going to come here with my brush and come back. Perfect. Now all I really need to do is curl up my lashes, put on mascara, do my liner, put on some falsies, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have applied my falsies and my liner, and I still feel that I can pull off a little bit more of color. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to come back with my pencil brush, and I'm going to get a little bit of the purple that I've complained so much, and I'm going to go over that lower lash line with my purple. Alright, so after that I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara to my lower lash line. And as you can see, I use Better Than Sex because I really like this mascara. And the little trick is I'm going to go over to the strip of my lashes with black liner, just to cover any of the glue that will not be very clearing out. Okay, so that's a little trick that's pretty much all over the internet. I think you guys have seen it before. Now all I really need to do is apply a little bit of the blush, and I'm going to be using the blush that comes in the palette. This little blush here. I'm going to use a blush brush. This is my Real Techniques blush brush, and I'm going to go lightly on the tops on the apples of my cheeks. I have to say that I like Tarte's blushes. I do. They're very good. This is a matte rosy tone. I'm also going to use the highlighter that comes in the palette. I'm going to go with a small highlighter brush, and I'm going to come on the very top of my cheek. Dust it out a little bit behind my brow, and I'm kind of blending it into the cheek. I'm going to go a little bit on the bridge of my nose. I didn't contour my nose today, but that will help to slim it a little bit. A little bit on my Cupid's bow. A little bit on my chin. And a little bit on my forehead. Alright, now the only thing that I'm missing is a little bit of lipstick. Now for my lips I'm going to go with something nude. So I'm going to start off by lining my lips. This is my longer lip pencil, and this is in color Astoundingly Stylish. Now for my lips I'm going to be using one of the Kat Von D's Everlasting colors. This color is in Lolita, and I'm going to apply just a tiny bit of moisturizing because they are quite dry. So I just don't want my lips to feel all day like, you know, they're dehydrated. So I'm just going to apply, this is a very cheap lip masker from Skittles. Nothing really. Oh, I'm not trying to talk while I do this, huh? Just something to give some moisture to. And I'm going to go with Lolita. This is a very nice nude color. Right, so this is the final look. Let me do a close-up so you can see the final result. Oh, there you go. There you go. This is a dark, a little bit of a dark nude, but still on the nude side, if you know what I mean. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that you learned a little bit from me. Let me know what you guys think. Please leave your comments and questions down below in the comments box. Thumbs up if you liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more videos to come and to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram for more updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.